The Nepalese government is very keen to promote the business in Nepal for outsiders. For instance, next year, 2011, people who go to Nepal will not have to pay for the visa for entry. The foreigners, of course, are only allowed to stay in Nepal for 6 months. After 6 months, they have to go outside of Nepal and re-enter for the visa. From Nepal, people can travel to India, Tibet, China, Bhutan, Pakistan, most of Asian country, and it provides a good facility for the foreign visitors. Because of the foreign visitors, we have fantastic hotels and many facilities to suit the Western style. Consequently, this has brought up the standard of living very much higher, and educated many people in Nepal in terms of way of living, and the earning has gone up a lot more than before. So people are getting richer with this opportunity of tourism.